A very lovely morning to all my lovely children. So, here we go for our next English lesson. Today, we are going to do question answers of chapter number 5, Jojo's Pet. Okay, so first of all, you need to write the date 9 July 20, chapter number 5, and the chapter's name Jojo's Pet and question answers. So we start with question number 1. Where did Jojo find the baby bird? Where did Jojo find the baby bird? Yes, in the bushes. Full stop. Question number 2. What did he call the baby bird? What did he call the baby bird? What name was given to the baby bird by Jojo? Yes, it was Tweety. So answer number 2 is Tweety. Full stop. Question number 3. What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? Jojo would give Tweety insects and water, fresh water to drink. But here they are asking what did Jojo give Tweety to eat. They are asking only for what Jojo gave Tweety to eat. So what was the answer? Insects. Answer 3, insects. Jojo was giving insects to the Tweety to eat. Question number 4. Where did Jojo find his top? Question mark. Where did Jojo find his top? Where was the top? Yes, in the boot. Okay. So these are the question answers, and you know the story very well, so I am sure you will be able to answer any question. Okay, you can answer the question in 1 word, 2 to 3 words. If you are comfortable writing the sentence, you can write the answer in the sentence also. But this chapter is in the past tense, past form. Past means the day or the time which has already passed, already gone. So you can write the answers in 2 to 3 words only, right? Once again, let's revise the question answers very quickly. Where did Jojo find the baby bird? In the bushes. What did he call the baby bird? Tweety. What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? Insects. And where did Jojo find his top? In the boot. Okay. So these are the question answers. You have to write these question answers in your notebook. Now, you have already done the back exercise of this chapter, but one section was left, which was listening skill. Listening skill. In listening skills, I'll be asking you something. You have to listen to it and answer it. It's a riddle kind of activity once again. So let's do it. Okay, I will ask you something. You just answer me. Jojo's pet. I will just speak. You don't have to read it. Just guess what is the thing that I'm talking about. I'm going to talk about the birds. I'll give you a clue. You have to think and tell me which bird I'm talking about. For example, number 1 is I am black. I can caw. C-A-W, caw. Who am I? Which bird says caw? Yes, crow. The answer is crow. Number 2. Okay, now this is your turn. You have to think for it. I have big round eyes. I can see only at night. Who am I? Which bird can see only at night?